All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. Look at this here. I've already started it. I said no, let me make a tutorial for you people because sometimes all this children haircut, all this teenager haircut is somehow difficult. Do you understand? So this haircut now, I'm going to give him layers. The up is going to come down, then the round cut. Do you understand? They have a lot of names for this haircut. You can call it drop fade. Understand? You can call it mid fade. You can call it high fade. I don't just understand. There are a lot of names. You can call it Afro Round Cut. Do you understand? But this hair is what? Layers is coming down. Or you can call it Afro Round Cut for children. Do you understand? So after you have created the first guideline, ask the kid how he wants the hair to be. He wants the hair to come down. Then you blend, you bring the hair down before blending. But now I've created the first guideline. I want to show you how to create the second guideline, which I've taught you guys before. So the second guideline that you're about to create now, you're going to put it on normal low cut level. Bring the gel down. You create the second guideline. Can you see what I'm doing? We are creating the second guideline. Please, if today is your first time of seeing my channel, my pages, please do well to follow. Join this family. We are going to learn a lot from this channel, from this page, from this family. Everything I do here is theory and practical. I'm not competing with anybody. I'm showing the theory aspect, the practical aspect. If you are following us also on Facebook, sorry, make sure you subscribe to our Facebook subscription to support us with the little you can. Our YouTube, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video, you'll be the first to see it. And also join our membership pack to support us. It's not easy, but we keep on trying. I told you guys I don't want to die with what I know. Do you understand? That is why anything that I know, I would like unleashing it. So make sure you share this video. Let other people benefit from it. Let other people benefit from this video. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I'll be putting all these things out. So after you have created the second guideline, by opening your blade, then you close the blade a bit. Don't close it finish to remove the line. So after you have removed the line finish, I told you that this hair is going to come down. You put it on step one. Once you put it on step one, you bring the gel down. Can you see the way I'm doing it? I'm debunking the hair. Can you see it? I'm following it accordingly how the hair texture is, how the hair grows, right? So follow it like that. Can you see it? Follow it like that. Watch what I'm doing. Yeah, it's very, very simple. Barbering is very, very sweet and simple. Follow it the way the hair grows. Follow it accordingly. Can you see it? Wait. So after you have gotten the So after you have gotten the level, you have bring the you have debunked the hair, you have gotten the level that the person wants. Then you still put it low cut level under step one. You flip it like this. Watch what I'm doing, guys. You know, some kids say it's stubborn and soft. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? You brush it. You brush it. Watch this video from beginning to the end. You will surely learn something. Please, for those of you, please, if you are learning, if you are benefiting anything from my page, my tutorials, please do well to support us by subscribing on our Facebook subscription. Support us by subscribing, please, so that you encourage us to do more. On our YouTube, join our membership pack. My TikTok, subscribe. Please support us. It's not easy. Can you see that the fading is coming out? So after you have done it like this, finish, you put it on skin, carry the gel up. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? After that, you turn your hand downward. You blend it down like this. Watch what I'm doing, guys. After you have done it like this, finish. The next thing you need to do is to remove your step one. Put it under low cut level. Bring your gel down. You rake it down like this first. Can you see it? You rake it down like this first. After raking it down, you turn your hand like this. You blend it 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 like this. As you are blending it like this, can you see what I'm doing? After you have blended it like this, finish. The next thing you need to do is to turn your hand upward. Still put it under low cut level. Please make sure you share this video, please. Don't be stingy. Let other people benefit from this video. Can you see it? What you are doing like this now is what we call detailing. You are removing the unnecessary hair. Those ones that do not blend very well. That is what you are doing. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's very, very simple. Once you dedicate your time, once you dedicate your time, you are good to go. Can you see how smooth, how neat it is? So this is how to cut layers, or you call it drop fade or mid fade or Afro Round Cut. There are a lot of names. Can you see it? Won't you like your kid or your child to have this kind of haircut? Can you see how smooth and sweet it is? So make sure you share. It's very, very simple. I love you guys. Remember, HUC is here to give you theory and practical. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to follow for more. I love you guys. Like, comment, ask questions. So this is it. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Can you see it? I love you guys. Share and follow for more.